Yeah, yes. First, I want you to tell us about your engineering background, your CGPA, your GATE score, your category. These couple of informations. From where you graduated, in which year you graduated?
Yeah, so actually I'm currently in final year in the last semester. So I'm from instrumentation branch. I'd applied to electrical department in IIT Gandhinagar. So my CGPA up to now is 9.69, the aggregate CGPA,
Mm-hmm.
and my category is general.
Mm-hmm. And your GATE score? Yes.
GATE score is 590.
590. So, how many departments did you apply in Gandhinagar?
I'd applied to just electrical department.
Electrical department, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, tell us something about the interview experience now.
Yeah. So actually, I had applied for the focus areas control system and robotics.
Mm-hmm.
So as soon as I entered the meeting, they just asked me about my name, and they directly asked me about the research areas, focus areas that I've applied for.
Mm-hmm.
Then the faculty switched over, and the faculty started asking me directly on the technical part.
Mm-hmm.
So firstly, they asked me if I've worked in robotics before.
Mm-hmm.
So I told them that I hadn't worked specifically, but I had done few workshops.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, then they came to the control system part. So in the beginning, he asked me about what is natural response of the system.
Mm-hmm.
Then he asked me what is system stability.
Mm-hmm.
And he asked me if we are applying unbounded input to the system and we are getting unbounded output. So what would you like to comment?
Mm-hmm.
Then he went to the state space analysis part,
Mm-hmm.
wherein he asked me what is controllability of the system.
Mm-hmm.
Then he asked me regarding what eigenvalues of the system matrix represent.
Mm-hmm.
Then he also asked me regarding if I've what all I've learned in state space analysis. So I briefed him a little bit about him.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, he asked me to explain a little bit about what is LQR controller.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, one of the faculty switched over again, and he asked me if I'm applying like an input to the system. I don't know the transfer function of the system, but I'm getting the output. Then is it possible to know the transfer function of the system? So I answered this question.
Mm-hmm.
Then one of them asked a question on linear algebra, like what is null space. So
Mm-hmm.
I got a little bit stuck there. So but then they moved over. And in the end, when the interview was over, they asked me like, why did you select PhD as an option, and why would you like, where all have you applied, and what's your preference? Where would you like to go?
Mm-hmm.
So that
Okay.
was all about it.
So, yes, do you think they were having your research proposal in front of them?
I think it must be on the screen because like I had put one project in the research proposal, and they didn't explicitly tell me to describe it, but they asked a question related to it.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I think it must be on the screen.
Mm-hmm. So, did they ask you something related to your BTech project also?
No, not related to BTech project. I
Mm-hmm.
had done a project in control system. So they asked me related to the same itself,
Mm-hmm.
but
So,
nothing related to BTech project.
any other question other than why you want to join PhD, direct PhD? Any other question which was non-technical?
No, they just asked me regarding like why do you want to do PhD? Where all have you applied? And like which is your priority? That's it. That's all they asked me at the end.
Priority means priority
Like
area.
yeah, like no, I mean like which institute would you prefer to go to?
Which IITs, huh?
Yeah.
So what did you say for that?
Actually, I told them that IIT Gandhinagar was my
Very
priority.
good.
And then I also replied that the recent interaction between you and Dr. Jain, I had heard that. So I told him that I liked that interaction, and I was impressed by a few points that uh, he told in that interaction. So that
Okay.
was that I mentioned.
And yes, anything else? Any other question which you like? You are from instrumentation, and why you want to do a department of electrical and all? Anything related to that?
No, nothing of that sort. He just directly jumped on the technical part when I told him the focus areas.
Okay. Now tell me, yes, you are going to get many other calls. IIT Roped का कल last date है. I want to tell you that also. So you apply for PhD in IIT Roped also if you have not so far done. And my question to you is how you think you should prepare, because this was your first interview. So I'm very sure you must have learned something. Okay, I should have prepared like this way. So what is your take on that? How do you think you should prepare?
Yeah, so I think I missed on the one topic. I mean, I wasn't like much confident on it, like frequency response of the system. So I think I should have focused more on it. And like when it comes to interview, those guys like ask you conceptually. Like there's nothing, there's no theoretical as such involved. I mean, that was my experience today. So I think we should prepare conceptually for the lessons, and especially the focus areas that we are applying for. The other thing is, I think they do ask at least one or two questions on mathematics. So even that's important as well.
Okay, okay. So mathematics, which part they asked you?
They asked me from linear algebra,
Okay,
like what is null space.
okay. And any other question of mathematics you remember?
Oh, that's it. That's the only question they asked me.
They asked you. So they were asking you to show also on the screen answers or
No,
something?
nothing. No,
Only
nothing.
they were
They
asking
are
you?
asking. Yeah. They're just asking the questions which could be answered. Like nothing of writing and sort.
So yes, you know, this activity I have started along with other mentors, like whatever interviews you will face, all of you will record those experiences and share on the panel, right? For the benefit of all the students. So I'm
Yeah.
thankful to you that you spared time and you gave your experience here. And
Sure.
you can see all these things on the panel of other students also till this entire session is going on. We'll keep on recording that. Fine?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. Sure, sir.
Thanks a lot.
So, sir, actually, I wanted to ask you one question.
Okay,
That
go ahead.
like I got stuck up on two questions or so. So, like, do they just judge us on the basis of that, or like, I mean,
No.
for
So it
considering?
is, I tell you, like if questions are technical and they are asking and you don't know that, it is very good if you say, sorry, sir, no idea about this. Instead of
Yeah,
bluffing, you say no. That is very good.
yeah. I mean, I tried to recall. So one answer I mean, I gave you one answer, but I wasn't much confident about it. So they asked me, "Are you sure?" So after that, I mean, they asked me to like maybe you should think over this answer.
Yes, yes, they will do that. And you
So
said
then
no.
I told them that as of now I can't recall it. Yeah, I'm not able to recall it. So that's what I said.
Not a
So
problem.
like,
So if you
and
don't
it's not the
remember
only
anything,
part with which,
don't worry. If you don't remember, need not to tell them.
yeah,
So you need to be very honest in the interview. That is what they appreciate. So I have seen that even 10 questions are asked and student is answering only 4, 5 he is not answering. They get selected. Don't worry about that. But only thing they check is
okay,
like the answers which you know how you are giving that. That is what they check it actually, right? Okay, yes, thank you.